I'm so excited to try my new microneedling pen, Dr. Pen. I got the A6s, and I'm super excited to try it today. So let's unbox it and see what we get. I had an old one, but it's so old and I lost a few pieces. What's great about this one is it's chargeable. It comes with these little charging cartridges, and it comes also with two 12-pin microneedling cartridges. However, I noticed that the electrical components are international, so that's not going to work in Florida. So let's be a little crafty here. Luckily for me, I saved the old electrical outlet. So I'm going to use it with the A6 and see how it works. And it works. I'm going to charge this bad boy up and let's get to it. I'm going to microneedle today with Juve, a polynucleotide 1%. Typically, it's meant as a mesotherapy injectable, but I want to try it topically and microneedle it in just for fun. I like to use Rona stem cell. That gives a lot of glide. It's very, very slick on the skin, so it will really help to glide the microneedling pen across my skin. This is a 12-pin cartridge you get with this. You get two of them. Let's snap it on. Snaps on very easily. And it comes with a setting on here of 6 speeds. I always like to use the highest speed because it gives the less drag as possible. This is the knob for depth. For the forehead, I like to use a very shallow depth just because it's really sensitive there. My antimicrobial spray called Skin Smart, I like to clean before, and I'm going to set this to a high speed of 6. Using a 0.5 on the depth, because the forehead can be a little bit stingy. For the cheeks and along the jawline, I like to use about 1 millimeter depth. Also, you notice I like to do an upsweep along the jawline because I feel like by doing that, I'm working against gravity. And maybe I'm giving myself a little bit of a facelift by doing that. That's just my technique I do. I think psychologically, it just makes me feel better. This is a really great tool to use around your lips as well if you have fine lines and wrinkles, like those smoker lines you can get. This is really going to help to rebuild the collagen as well as infuse that polynucleotide into my skin. The nose is a little tricky, so just gently, I use a more shallower depth on that one. And I do across the eyes, just kind of dab it very lightly, because that's a very sensitive area as well. Rub in the rest of the product, and here's how we're looking. So at Acecosm, you can get your Dr. Pen, your Rona stem cells, and your Juve eyes. Use my code FLAWLESS10 and you'll get 10% off your order.